Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lecture by Mr. Domne. Today I will going to start a new scenario, fixing merge conflict. If you have not seen my previous video on the Git, then just go into the YouTube channel and see the Git playlist where I have uploaded all the video related to the Git, how you can learn Git in a very simple way, how you can run the command on the platform and learn hands-on step by step. It's a very simple task by assignment how you can learn it. I have shared the website also, katakoda.com, where you can practice it by running those commands. It's a very simple. I've already uploaded a video on the previous command, like how you can commit file, how you can commit changes, how you can see the logs, how you can undo the change. And today we're going to head fixing merge conflict. Conflict in the sense merging the file, merging the changes. So let's start. When you click on the start scenario, you will see this screen. It means that here what we will going to see, when you will going to do this assignment, in this assignment you will learn how you can share the changes that you have done in the repository with other people, or you can combine those changes on your single repo. So let's start it. In this step, it is saying you need to perform the git merging. Git merge is used to combine all the changes that you have done on your single repo. So for that, what it is saying, the git fetch command download the changes into a separate branch, which can check out and merge. During this merge, git will attempt automatically combine the commit. So here, if you see this all step, it will guide you what you need to do. So step by step you need to run the command. In case if it is nothing is clear to you, if anything is difficult, you can simply click on the solution and you can see what solution you need to add. But here it is saying that you need to write the fetch command. Okay, here it is saying you need to write the fetch command earlier, like it's telling you what is a fetch command, then it is telling you what is a pull command, what is the fetch command. So here this step is for merging, and how you can do the merging. If you are not aware about what is the git fetch, what is git pull, what is origin and master, then just see the previous video in the git playlist of my YouTube channel, so it will be clear to you what is a git, what is an origin. Origin is a branch of your remote repository, and the master is that you will going to download it. So you need to merge the changes from the previous change and the current change, so you need to merge those conflict indicate that while merging those changes, if any issue comes, if they fail, then that it is called a conflict. Merge conflict means, I repeat once again, the conflict indicate that when you are trying to merge the changes that you have done before and now, if it is failed to do that, then you will not be at the file. So that how you can resolve it. So for that the command is type git merge remotes. Origin is the your repository slash master that repository that going to be download. By default it will be a master. When you do the checkout, you have seen many times when you download from the github any file, master is there at the uh, suffix of the file, right? That means that by default master will going to be a checkout. Okay, by default master name is assigned to it. Origin is your actual repository, the file which is saved in the remote location. So now when you press enter, I think I have made some mistakes. So let me run it. Let me see the solution. Git merge remotes origin. I have written exactly same. Okay, let me click on this. When you click on this, okay. So I think it's saying you that here we don't need to run any command. Just press continue. In this step, it is just saying that when the conflict occur, okay, when any conflict occur, how you can combine those changes together, local and remote. Okay, for that what you need to do it, you need to use git difference. So I'm typing the same. Actually this error comes because last time they just said you that this command you are going to use it, but not now. So that is the reason that in the previous step when I run this command it was giving an error. So let's do it, git difference. it will show you the difference between the previous commit and the latest one. So when you run it, it's run in the background. Now you want to check the changes that is done, then how you will do that. Here also, nothing solution is added. It means that it's just explaining you how you can solve the conflict. Okay, let's see that if any merge tool means I'm explaining you how you can run a different command and try to get like how you like what command you need to run. So here it's saying that okay, sorry, it is a merge tool. I have done the spelling mistake here. Just add it, and when you press this, it will show you what do you mean by this merge tool. This merge tool is an external tool that will use for merging the file or or resolving the conflict. Conflict means was when you try to combine the previous and the current change, sometime an error occur, that is called as a conflict. Now just move to the continue. How you can resolve the conflict. In order to resolve the conflict, you just need to type this command git checkout there. This what is the beauty of this platform? It will tell you step by step what command is. So this command is to check out your file. So let me click on this. When you click on this, it will automatically get executed. Now what else you need to do it, just see this solution. Here what I'm trying to do, here we are trying to do we are running the git checkout command and we are trying to resolve the conflict. Click on this solution, see this, we have already run this. Now add this file on your repo, on your staging area, then you commit it. Then once here you are adding the file on your staging area, then you run this command. See this on your branch master, nothing to commit, working tree clean. So it means that you have added on the staging area. Now press continue. So you can similarly you can do the several steps. You can pull the file. Just click on this, so it will get executed. It is saying refuse to merge unrelated history because there is a no conflict in your system. That's why it is telling you that there is a no conflict. Now if you want to see misconfigured in the sense it's successfully merged it, that's why it is not giving any issue. It is just refused to merge unrelated history in the sense there is no changes you have done in the previous file and the latest file. Now if you want to see the log, just run this command. Either you can type it or you can simply click on it, and when you run it, it will show you. So in this way you can run it in a very easy way. Press continue to see, and you can read all this, what is a git rebase, git merge. You can resolve the conflict with git rebase command that you will going to learn in the next scenario. If you want to try, you can try it. When I press it, it will show you when you have done, is there any conflict or not. It will show you all the thing. You need to type the branch also with this. So here git pull rebase. So here you can try git pull. So this command will show you several options. You need to use an option after this command. So it will help you to resolve the conflict. Rebase is another command that is used to work with the remote branch and resolving the any issue regarding the conflict, merging conflict. Once you have done, just click on this continue. So you have successfully completed this scenario. Hope you have understand how to merge the file and how you can learn it with the help of this command. So it is a very easy platform where you can run it. If you like the video, then please subscribe, share and comment it. Thank you.